Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about coordinate geometry, introduction. The detailed notes give in this video. All the concept about coordinate geometry covered in this video. Get started. First, coordinate plane. The plane is formed by intersection of two perpendicular number line is coordinate plane. Here two number line, vertical number line and horizontal number line. Vertical number line is called vertical axis and horizontal number line is called horizontal axis. The horizontal axis is called x-axis and vertical axis is called y-axis. X-axis is represent x dash and y-axis is represented as y dash. The negative part is x dash. Here negative part is y dash. The intersection of both perpendicular line is called origin. The origin, the value of x value is 0 and y value is 0. The perpendicular number lines divide coordinate plane into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quadrant. Quadra means 1/4. 1/4 part is called quadrant. The quadrant is numbered as anti-clockwise, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Then the coordinate plane, each point has two value, x value and y value. In first quadrant, both x and y is positive. Second quadrant, y is positive, x is negative. Third quadrant, both x and y value is negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. First quadrant, both x, y positive. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x and y is negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Origin. The intersection point of both x and y axis is called origin. In origin, x value is 0, y value also 0. Coordinate pair. The coordinate plane, each point represents two values written in common bracket. First x value, comma after y value. This is called coordinate pair. First always x value, comma after y value. Bracket 7, comma 5 means x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. This order is significant in coordinate geometry. X comma y not equal to y comma x. X comma y. This order is first value is always x value. Second value is always y value. Written in common bracket is called coordinate pair. Then abscissa. The x value is called abscissa. The y value is called ordinate. The distance from the y-axis is called abscissa. The distance from the x-axis called ordinate. Abscissa also called x-coordinate. Coordinate also called y-coordinate. So here is one point. Here is the point. The distance from the y-axis is x value. Therefore, this is the distance is from here to here. Distance from the y, that is 2. Distance from the y-axis is x value. The distance from the x-axis is y value. X-axis 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. X-axis 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. The distance from the y-axis is x value. The distance from the x-axis is y value. X-axis, y value is always 0. The represent as x comma 0. Y-axis, x value is equal to 0. The represent as 0 comma y. X-axis, origin 0 0. First 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0. In y-axis, origin 0. Here 0 1. Other. Here y value 0. So 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0. Here x is equal to 0. 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, 0 4, 0 5. That is coordinate pair in y-axis. Y-axis x value 0 represented as 0 y. X-axis y value 0 represented as x 0. If y is constant, then the line parallel to x-axis. 2 5, 7 5, 11 5, 75, y 5. Then the line parallel to x-axis. y-axis x value 0 represents 0 y. If x is constant, then the line is parallel to y-axis. 37, 35, 311, 317. X is equal to 3, the line parallel to y-axis. So here over the detailed notes given here. Over here. Thank you for watching.